When you're cornering, is it fast to take a corner like this? Or is it faster to take a corner like this? Both drivers enter the corner from the outside edge. Driver A is cautious with his braking and steering input as he holds one angle of rotation, whereas driver B is more aggressive with his braking and turning to induce some oversteer. As they feed the gas, driver B is on the limit of grip, whereas driver A is under the limit of grip. So by being a bit more aggressive with his braking and turning, driver B's minimum speed was higher in the corner, which allows him to reach the apex first. Driver B will carry that momentum and gain even more time on corner exit. Driver B is using slip angle to corner faster. Slip angle is the difference between the direction the tyre is pointed compared to the direction the kart is actually travelling in. Slip angle is different to drifting because in drifting you're trying to break the traction, whereas slip angle, the more you increase it, the more traction you will get until you reach the peak, which you'll know you've reached if you start counter-steering excessively. So for tight corners, which you need to brake for, brake hard, lean out, and initiate a sharp initial turn-in. This will induce some oversteer, and it's your responsibility to carefully control that. To control the oversteer, release your foot off the brakes and start feeding the gas pedal progressively, 50%, 60%. And whilst you do that, your hands should be in a fixed position on the steering wheel, trying to keep it as neutral as possible, bringing that steering wheel back to the middle. And for wider corners, which you might lift for, lift early, sharp initial turn-in, lean out. You need to load the outside tyres with grip, because as you start feeding the gas pedal now before the corner, it'll help you control that oversteer and keep your steering wheel as neutral as possible. In karting, you're either underdriving, which is where you're too cautious or too careful, or you're overdriving, which is where you're too aggressive and drifting the kart excessively. You want to be in between, which is where you're driving on the limit of grip and using slip angle to make you faster. It's going to take many attempts to master slip angle, and that's why you need as much track time as possible to experiment the limits. It's okay to overdrive or even underdrive, but use that as a gauge to change your driving to either be a bit more aggressive or to dial it back a bit and focus on being smoother. Let us know if you use slip angle when cornering and how you manage to get the hang of it. But until the next video guys, I'll see you next time.